So it's super exciting to be here at the i14y lab, the open lab for disaggregated networks. This is exactly the place to be, where the vendor ecosystem is evolving to open architectures, open RAN, many more players coming in, much more innovation, better time to market for products and services, and a new operating model, for more efficiency and greater automation.
No, I find it really exciting. So we have so many different partners, vendors around. We can see also how the community has developed as part of the demos that are shown here. And I think this is also a very important component of a summit like this.
Space here, and with this consortium from different parts of different areas, bring the exact good landscape, let's say, or good scenario that can invite others to realize the value of the interoperability and deliver the core values of ORAN. I think people are just warming up here, right? This is just an initial phase of what is already begun.
Our vision with the i14y lab is that we can evolve this currently funded project into a commercial lab that is operated by different players in the ecosystem, so that we can continuously offer testing and integration services.
So grateful that we finally can come together in person again, because talking to people face to face is so different versus meeting virtually and having everyone in small 3:4 or 16:9 version on your desk. It's so much better to talk to people, to meet people, passing by, saying quickly hello, and simply interact as humans and not only as pictures on screens.
The day is great. The whole event, it started right fantastic, like a clockwork in the morning, with a good mood. And if you see all the speeches, what we have on all levels, from deep technology to strategy to legislation, the program had it all.